Hi guys. Yeah, it's been like a while since my release day on my live stream, so I just had to make it really short. But I'm not gonna make and build something that I don't remember when it's my unboxing. This is literally why do I have to do it. Is because I need to make it a bit squared. That's for sure. And basically, what it is I'm gonna make a same portrait as Marble Run 80 piece, but instead of that, the pieces were going to be switch. Only for these two. It's just like Kid Connection. Okay, use the funnel right over here. And then I'm gonna use these. And then I'm gonna use that. And before that, I'm going to use whoopsie doodles. I forgot something. So in the meantime, well, instead of doing this, I'm going to flip it vertically. And then I'm going to use this. Where did the pinwheel go? This, which is this. And then I'm going to use this piece. And don't forget this piece as well. And then what am I going to add was the funnels. Because funnels is always my favorite. And then I'm going to use the piece. Okay, there we go. We have another 80 pieces, but instead I switch and I add the funnel. So let's go to blue first. Okay, here's the green side. Okay, there we go. Now it's all done. And yeah. Even though that I always been like more confused about this, it's just because I want it to be more ish thing. But yeah, not pretty sure why. It's just because that I want it to be more fun and more creative. It's just because why. Oh, crud. Okay, so what am I gonna see it right now is I'm gonna talk for a minute, and yeah, even though. So why there's an error between the two pieces? Hold on, let's just remove this. Why can they just like use this one so that use it like a backwards compatible, so that the marble will basically drop right through? It basically is like more like a failure to me, because you know that the pieces go right here between the marbles to go right. I'll just check it like this section, if you want mine. It does work too without the to the piece, but when it goes like this, it automatically stops. So that's why I decided to like bring over a little bit, and just because I want to be more smart, it's just because that I want to be more ish. Okay, now I'm going to make uh a mode, a multiplayer, a multi-race mode. It's just because that I want to be more particular-ish. I mean, it wasn't even the case of it. It's just because that I don't even understand. So we got the other piece and the funnel at the end, which is basically just a collaboration of this. It's basically because if I wanted to try something new. So yeah, I wanted to be more perfect together, and not always be more mad. So yeah, I'm not gonna make that right now. So we got the orange, we got the wiggle, 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 and then we're going to use the orange piece, which right over here, and then we're going to use these, and then we're going then we're going to use another green piece, and another, and I think it will be the other piece, which is basically just do a collab right there. There we go. Now this is more like it. And then we're going to do is we're going to add a green funnel. Then we are going to like use the loop-de-loop. I'm gonna use the other funnel, and then I'm going to use the orange piece, and then I'm gonna use another yellow piece. Okay. And then orange piece again. I'm gonna make this a 2-player mode. Kind of look like similar to a Mario game. Okay, we're going to use another yellow piece. Then we're going to use this. And of course, another orange piece, which I basically don't care. I think it's gonna look like the actual version of the AEPs, but instead, it will be like a different version. Why did I have to add this in the first place? There we go. So in the hand, where did the spinner go? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we have one. Now I forgot was the other spinner, which I literally forgot about this. Sorry. And then I'm going to use the other funnel, red funnel, and which is basically going to use was the another spinner, and of course this. So it will be look like Marble Run APs, but it looks actually pretty different. Where did that green funnel go? Oh, there it is. It was just hiding throughout the funnel. Okay, here we go. All I need was the green track number 1. And here we go. Back to the newer tracks. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. And here is track number 2. Oops. Okay, here we go. Now this is all set. Now I need was to remove. And then let's go ahead and make another one. But this time, it will be a different one. As if I am saying, Thanksgiving is coming up, so I'll be like celebrating Thanksgiving marble race and stuff like that. Like I don't even like not good at Thanksgiving stuffs, even though if I am aware. So I'm going to make this another player mode, but just because if I switch places, and nobody will ever notice that I am using the same material as the one that I did. And I need that piece. This is basically the best part of the thing right now. Like, even though that I am making things, it's not what I meant to be. And even though that wasn't even the case, I'll just talk about my Marble Works from now on. So I'll be making another one about this. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll like see you guys later. But goodbye, 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 goodbye.